So we have a task, one, to unlearn, because it's already implanted in us. To unlearn on a daily basis. It's a lifelong venture. And then to prepare the next generation without the patriarchy. So we have a job to do. And you know, we raise our families. We don't raise them alone. That's why there are so many chamas. You want fees, you call a few to support you. You want to improve your house, you call a few. We have those chamas that help us to organize our homes, our families, our businesses. We must continue. We organize families, we organize communities, we organize the nation, and we organize the world. I see what we are doing as bigger than a Kenyan thing. One, we want to teach ourselves to own campaigns for candidates we believe in, to own campaigns of women who will carry the other women on their back. We don't want women who will get into the space and forget their identity. So we want to nurture ourselves to be the women who carry the women and who carry their families, their communities, and the nation and the world. You see? If you look around, whether in our religious organizations, in our schools, in the community, the Harambee spirit, the bulk of those who participate without missing, even when they don't have much to share, is the women. It is the women who will come with a little of their farm produce, with a little of the food they should be cooking for their families because they didn't have cash. It's the women who will come in and bring their labor as a contribution. Women never miss out, even when they have nothing. They have their love, their spirit of community to offer. I think we need to usher a new dawn, not just for women, but for our country. What are campaigns about? Is it about the candidate giving, or is it about the community owning for their parties, for the candidates they believe in, and giving their time like you gave this morning? This is not a paid engagement. You came in the rain because you believe in. I want to salute all of you for that. You are here to stand up for Kenya, and we want to raise a nation that stands up for itself. And do you know what? It's not just about the campaigns, the volunteerism, and the money that goes into it. It's also about when we occupy positions of power. You who is a counting clerk, you who is a presiding officer, you who is a returning officer, if you stood up for Kenya, we would not have disputed elections. Because you would do your duty and you would be standing up, not for candidates, for your country. We need a nation that stands up for itself. We need a nation of integrity. We talk of institutions, but institutions are you and me. We are the ones who will mess up or raise Kenya. And I'm asking you this morning, as nurturers, because women are nurturers, let us stand up. Not just for ourselves, not just for Martha. Let us stand up for Kenya.